Are you a new or aspiring YouTuber, content creator, and you're searching, trying to find out the deets of how much YouTube really pays, especially starting out as a small channel, which then leads to the next question. Is it really worth it to start up a YouTube channel in 2024? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the behind the scenes of how much YouTube paid me, my first YouTube paycheck as a small YouTube channel. Now, let's jump right into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. I'm excited to have you here as we're going to dive into my business, get a little of behind the scenes of how much did I really make as a small YouTube channel with just a little over 2,000 subscribers and over 200 videos uploaded on YouTube. I'm approaching my second year of being a content creator here on YouTube. I started my YouTube journey in September 2022. You can go and check out this video right here of how you can get started. I started out with my phone. I'm still using my phone, recording my videos. I'm still editing my videos. YouTube is a lot of work. And with this, it will trigger asking you if it's really worth it to start your YouTube journey. I will give you the answer to that question at the end of the video, my feedback and my opinion on whether or not it is worth it. Now, let me take you on the journey of how I started, what transpired, and how did I end up getting my first YouTube paycheck. So as I just mentioned, I started in September 2022. And when I just started, I started this YouTube channel to promote my book, What to Expect When Moving to Canada for Thriving Immigrants, professional immigrants who are looking to relocate, move to Canada, especially from the Caribbean and Africa. That was the purpose of this YouTube channel, to share my personal story, to share my personal journey along the way while promoting the book. Now, throughout this process, as you might see, I have several different playlists because I am that multi-passionate girl. And if you are multi-passionate also, let me know in the comment. I'm thinking of doing a video specifically targeted for us multi-passionate content creators. So with that results, I have several different playlists and I dived into several different aspects, which basically is a journey of where I was at and where I'm heading, where I'm going. So it's basically, this channel is taking you on that journey. So back then, it's moving to Canada, living in Canada, settling in Canada. Now, I'm also a registered nurse, so I showcase being a registered nurse and also moving here to Canada as a single mom. So those are the main playlists which I started out with. Now, the hit video, which got me to be monetized, eligible for monetization, was this video here of should you move to Canada in your 40s or your 50s. And can I tell you that that video wasn't planned? I was just batch creating as I usually do with most of my YouTube videos. And that video idea just came up on me. And I didn't have a script or anything. I was just talking free flowing. And to my surprise, that video is still trending now with over 29,000 going on to 30,000 views. Now that video I uploaded that video in November 2023. Now shortly after uploading that video, I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. That was in November. And then I received, and at that time too, my eligibility for reaching 4,000 watch hours was triggered also. So with that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch hours eligibility, I was then eligible to be a YouTube partner, which I then got my congratulations email. See right here. Yay! You are now a YouTube partner. So after receiving all that, it's from one step to the next. Then I went ahead and I created my AdSense account. Now, YouTube will guide you along the way. It will tell you what you need to do. If you haven't completed your tax information, it will prompt you. It will tell you, okay, you need to do your AdSense account. After signing up for your YouTube AdSense, you will get a letter in the mail like this one with your verification PIN. Now, this will confirm that you are the person for that. It will ask you to upload, you'll have to upload your ID and whatever AdSense asks you for. I don't quite remember, but I know I had to upload my ID and your banking information and all that. So that was the first step in November of getting eligible for monetization. Now, after monetization, now the ball is in your hands to start getting those videos going and to start seeing the money ching, 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 climbing, right? So one of the mistakes that I made, I'm not sure if it's a mistake, but what I did that I would have done differently right now, being more experienced into year 2 of YouTube. So that was in November. In January, I sort of switched up my niche. I detoured from moving to Canada content, living in Canada content, to more focusing on entrepreneurship, financial independence, and starting up side hustles. Because I felt at the time that I've exhausted most of the information around moving to Canada. So now I wanted to provide a fresh spin of content for those same immigrants who have subscribed to my channel for thriving in Canada financially. So this would look like starting up your side hustle, talking more about real estate as I'm a realtor here in Canada, and how I managed to create several income streams while working full time. Now with that switch in niche, I think I shifted the YouTube algorithm. So at that time, starting out in January, I saw a dip in my views, a dip in my subscriber count, and just a dip. If I had maintained that same trend of maybe duplicating, doing more videos of moving to Canada, now I believe I would have reached my monetization target of getting that first deposited sooner. Now, with that said, switching up niches, there are several different niches on YouTube. Some are higher paid and some are lesser paid. Financial niche is one of the highest paid niches in YouTube. So then I think because of the shift in the algorithm from moving to Canada, from the Canadian content to personal finance content, it sort of shifted the YouTube algorithm. And I think it's slowed my growth while I was transitioning to another niche. Now, with that said, the minimum amount for YouTube to pay you is $100. Now, it depends on how fast or how slow you accumulate that $100. Now, for myself, each month fluctuates. So the first couple months, I think the first month in January, I made like $5. I think I didn't post as much in February. I think I took a break in February. So February was just maybe $1 or $2. And then it went up and accumulated and accumulated. Now in June, I received a notification that I am now eligible to receive my deposit into my bank account, or I had the option for my check to be mailed directly to me. Now I'm a Canadian YouTuber, so I opted for the bank deposit. Now, again, YouTube will tell you what to do, when to do, and, the things you need to do to get paid. So then I initiated and I provided my banking information for my money to be deposited to my account. Now, are you ready to know how much YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber with over 200 video uploads, posting almost 2 videos per week? And drum roll, $102.43 was deposited into my account. Yes. So, yes, I was excited. I was excited because I felt like, wow, eventually, wow, finally, success granted. I am now reaping the hard work and labor that I have been putting into recording, batch recording, editing, and providing you with all this free information, free content of all the different gifts and interests and all the journey that I've been through, sharing with you that information. Now, the question that you might be wondering, is it really worth it to put in all this hard work and just get 100, just call it $100 at the end of it all, almost after 2 years of starting out? Well, my answer is yes. It is worth it. You have to give to receive. You have to put in to reap, right? So you can't expect to just upload a video or two and then you're going to be waiting for money ching ching to be deposited into your account. You cannot expect to be inconsistent. You post here when you feel like, and another month you post another video when you feel like, and expect to hit that 1,000 or that 500 required subscribers or that 4,000 watch hours. No, YouTube requires consistency. YouTube requires dedication. And if you're going to take up YouTube as a business, as a side hustle, you have to factor in all these. You have to dedicate time, you have to be consistent, and you have to provide free value in order to reap the rewards of the benefit. Now, my belief, and as my coach would say, if you make $1, you have the potential to double it, to triple it, to make more. So once I made that first $100, $102 from YouTube AdSense, I am confident that I can triple that, multiply it, while providing value and providing impact while making an income from YouTube as a side hustle. Now, let me know in the comments if you are inspired to keep going on your YouTube journey, and let me know also what is the name of your YouTube channel so that I can go ahead and check it out and I can support you on this journey. This content creation ride is not easy. I'm telling you, it's not easy. I know we make it look so easy, but it requires discipline. Just as though you pick up yourself and go to the people and work, you have to put time in your business to do your work to reap the rewards. Now, I've seen YouTubers get monetized in as little as 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, whatever the time frame is. But you have to remember, success is a journey, not a destination. And success looks different on everybody. So try not to compare your journey of success to someone else's journey of success. Their niche might be different. Their target audience might be different. Their community might be different. Their business model might be different. Their purpose might be different, right? Their passion, skills, and interests are different. Their goals are different. So you have to focus on your goals and you have to go at your own speed. If you cannot upload 3 videos per week, stick to 1. If you cannot batch create and do 3 videos or 4 videos in one setting, just as how I do, then do 1 as you go. So do what works for you and keep going. This is my motivational video for you as a new YouTuber or even as an aspiring YouTuber. Now, if you are interested in starting up your YouTube channel, go ahead and check out this video to see how I get started, because I started off with my phone and I'm still using my phone. And below in the description, I will list everything that I use along with my phone so you can go get those on Amazon. And in my next video, I'll be doing how to get started with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned, subscribe, so you'll see that video next.